This is your Imperial Avenue project team. Changes, just comment down below. I hope you're enjoying this view, Imperial Avenue project. Yeah. Still in progress. Have a nice look here from visitor parking area here in downtown. We'll slow it. Okay. This is your Imperial Avenue project team. You can see the facade. Is there any changes, guys, from the last video that we had been upload? Check the link below, you know, the last upload that we did. There is some changes, just comment down below. I think there is some changes. By the way, guys, there's no it's holiday here now in Dubai today, this date. Check your calendar. What's the reason of the holiday? Just comment down below. That's why you cannot see any tower crane operation right now. For your Imperial Avenue. The weather is still hot, but it's getting breezy, a little bit breezy now. Hello. There are games here, guys. The tourists here in downtown. It's still quiet. Maybe after a few hours. It's 2:30 in the afternoon here in Dubai downtown. That's why it's still quite few tourists you can observe. Yeah. Enjoy the view of your Imperial Blue project, guys. I think we're gonna go a little bit near that building. We will see the activities near that building. Okay, guys, let's go. before we will go near the Imperial Avenue project, guys. Just let me give you a nice view here in downtown. Okay, mountain views area. As you can see, guys. Maybe we're gonna. Yeah, that's Burj Khalifa. Okay, we're gonna rotate the video. Okay. That's the mountains. So I will give you a good view here. Yeah, we're gonna spend some more time here, guys, to check the view and enjoy the view. Just comment down below if you are enjoying it. Okay, project team, let's go back to the mountain stairs. Then let us go near Imperial Avenue project. We'll go near your project, Imperial Avenue. It's a great view here, guys. Very neat. We'll take a U-turn from here. Oh, it's only left turn. I'll try the left turn. It's very near, guys. Yeah. I think still in progress. Yeah. Just comment down below, guys. What is the exact status of Imperial Blue? Just comment down below when it will be the handover. Yeah. Yeah. It's in progress, guys. Yeah. Congratulations. Even it's holiday, they are working. All right, but I think it's a little bit slow, but it's in progress. Congratulations, you are still lucky, guys. We will pass by near it. Yeah, this is the Imperial Avenue. Yeah, they just log out. The workers. Yeah. Hi guys, yeah, this is a good news for you. Imperial Avenue in progress. I think we had a good update today. They had just closed the entrance, yeah, because it's in progress. There is some in progress work there. Okay guys, I think that's all for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for our channel, Project Team. Thumbs up, guys, for YouTube algorithm, and comment. And if you want to share also to your friends, share as well. See you on the next video, guys. Thank you for watching, project team. Appreciate your support, guys. Comment down below. And if you have this project here in Dubai, just, you know, make a request. Randomly, I will select weekly for the project that we will upload. Thanks for watching.